What's up guys, and welcome back to Teffer. Today I'll be showing you how to do Pride face paint, and I'll show you two different things, how to do Pride lipstick and how to do Pride teardrops. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is tie my hair back so we don't get any hair in our faces while we paint. You're going to need a bowl of water for washing your brush and some face paints. I use Tag Body Arts. Here I'm using the flat brush that came with my face paints, but you can use any flat brush. The first thing you're going to do is dip our brush in water so then we can get some water in the face paints. It's like watercolor, you need water as an activator. Then I'm just going to paint a vertical line down from the inside tip of my eye down to about halfway down my nose. I'm going to make each strip longer until we get to yellow and green, and then I'm going to make each strip shorter. Make sure to wash your brush, wipe the water off, and repeat the process. Now we're going to do the lipstick. What I'm going to do here is do a vertical line, and I'm only doing half of my lip so I can just get half of my face in Pride. I'm going to do vertical line down toward the inner part of my lip with red, and then I'm going to work my way out to purple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you're wondering, I use Tag Body Art for my face paints, and for the brush, I use the flat brush that comes with it. If you ever just want to paint one of the Pride flags on your face, I suggest getting these split cakes. They're a lot easier than going brush stroke by brush stroke by brush stroke, and you can just do it all in one stroke. You use a sponge, get it on there, and just... So I think that's it, and I hope this helped, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!